Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to turn on the Reels Remix function. So as we all know, Instagram just rolled out the Reels function, which is meant to compete with TikTok. And they also tried to create same functions, for example this remix function, where you can react or create related content to other reel videos. So to allow this option for your reels, you have to go to the settings, then go to privacy, and here you will find reels. And with this one switch you can enable or disable the remixing. Let's see what they say. Enable remixing. When you enable remixing, anyone can create reels that play your video and they're side by side. A remix creator can also download your video as part of their remix. You can turn off remixing for individual reels from the More menu on that reel, or you can turn it off like for all of your reels here. That's it for this video. If it was helpful, please consider subscribing. That would be really helpful for me. And don't forget, if you have any questions, just ask me. See you.